Okay, here's a second approach to calculating a grade for a marking period or window. And this time we're going to weight various categories of assignment differently. For simplicity's sake, let's say that tests will count for 80% and quizzes will count for 20% of the student's grade. So this time we're going to choose add calculated column again, but this time we're going to choose a weighted average. So we'll choose weighted. We're going to give this a name, and we're going to call it window 1 weight by category. So again, the same thing, window 1 weighted by category. So we're going to make the primary display a percentage. We can display letter grade if we want to. Grading period, again, we're not going to associate this with a grading period because it doesn't belong within the grading period. We're going to weight by category, so instead of selecting columns, we'll select categories, and for simplicity, we've just chosen tests. So let's move that over here. We're going to make that 80%. And crucially, we're going to weight this proportionally, which means if we have an A on a 100-point test and a C on a 10-point quiz, it won't average out to be a B. So crucially, we're going to click proportionally here. Then we're going to pick the next category we want to add, which is quiz. This will be 20%, and if some quizzes are given different points, we want that to be reflected. So we're going to click proportionally again. And now we've noticed that 80 and 20 add up to 100%. So we're just using those two categories, and we'll click submit. And again, we can't see this new column, so we need to go to Organize Grade Center, scroll all the way down to those things which are not associated with a grading period, and let's choose to show it in all views. So scroll up, and let's say we just wanted to compare if this made a difference, whether we weighted by category or just added up total points as in the previous example. So let's just drop that here, click submit, go back, and now we can see that weighting by category produces a different grade than simply adding up points. That's it.